we're going to do adjacent angles. Adjacent. Adjacent. Today is 3/15/23. Adjacent angles. Does anybody know what the word adjacent means in English? Are two angles that are next to each other. Next to each other. They share a line, which is called a ray in geometry. And they share a vertex, which is what I went over with you on Monday, what a vertex is. So we'll break it down. So adjacent in English means next to. My room is adjacent to the first graders. I am next door to the first graders. When I used to teach this, I would always say, oh, my room is adjacent to Miss Ochoa's because we're next to each other. But that's no longer true.
They stole your room.
They stole it. They didn't ask for it.
The little kids took over it.
I'm not over it. Hence, my feelings.
I say we go swatting.
No. Adjacent angles.
Makes her emotional.
Yeah, thanks for bringing me back to that point in my life.
I didn't ask for it.
Are two angles that are sarcasm next to each other, share a line, which officially is called a ray, and they share a vertex. So there's vertical angles. Do they share a line? No. Are they next to each other? No. So this is like the opposite of a vertical angle. Okay, so if we go back to drawing our two intersecting lines from before, right? We use these with vertical angles. We call this angle A, B, C, and D. Adjacent, next to. Adjacent. So which angles are adjacent to each other? Which angles are next to each other? They share a ray and they share a vertex.
A, B, and C.
Yep.
All of them. Oh, wait, no, not really.
I mean, A and C. No.
So A, B, B, and C, B.
So you go like in a circle. You go in a circle. So angle A and angle B.
Yeah.
Okay. Why? So this is the vertex, right? This is where you see angle A. These are where the two lines connect, so that's angle A, right? The vertex. So if I were to trace angle A here, and I'm going to trace angle B, did I use the same line?
Yeah.
Yes, I used this line. This is called a ray. A ray is just, it starts and it goes. It's like a line. It's a ray, starts with a vertex and then extends out. That's called a ray. An angle is created by two rays. Here's one ray, here's another ray. There's two rays make an angle. So this is a ray, this is another ray. If you put them together by the vertex, they're called an angle. Anyways, you don't need that until high school. All right, angle B with what angle?
C.
C. Angle C with what other angle?
D.
D. And angle A with angle D. So they're all next to each other. So write it down and take a moment of like B with C, C with D, and A and D. So they're like pairs. They're next to each other. It's like you're sitting next to your partner right now. A and B are together. What do you share? You share that table. Let's say. Yeah. Doing a great job. Dude, the sharpener works. You just have to twist the knob. Yes, you just twist the knob. If you've ever noticed the electric sharpeners have this like circle around it with different holes.
That's not gonna fit.
It's a Home Depot pencil.
It's a Home Depot pencil. Brian
Home
All right.
Depot.
Home Depot.
Are we okay with adjacent angles?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right.
More or less.
That's it. I mean, it's just next to each other.
It's something more fancy than actually.
None of the circles?
So,